A Tulsa Police Dashcam captures a moment that will leave you stunned. Just seconds before a violent crash, the officer behind the wheel can be seen texting. Moments later, impact. While investigators say the other driver caused the wreck by crossing the median, this footage raises an even bigger question. Should an officer ever be this distracted on duty? Let's take a closer look.
Sync will attempt to call 911. If you wish to cancel the call, please hold the phone button. A 911 assist call is being placed. Sync will speak first to the 911 operator before opening the line. Please wait.
You have reached 911 emergency. Please stay on the line and your call.